Tsetsengoo and I'm 7 years old. Today I want to share with you something that makes my heart sing. Playing the piano. Imagine a magical world where you can close your eyes and let your fingers dance on the keys. That's how I feel when I play the piano. It's like going on a wonderful adventure filled with all sorts of emotions. When I play happy songs like the sun, when I play happy songs like the sun shines bright and the birds sing, my fingers hop and skip on the keys. It's like my heart feels as light as a feather. It's like I'm dancing with joy. But sometimes when I play sad songs like the raindrop fall and the sky turns gray, my fingers slow down and I feel a little teardrop inside my heart. Playing sad songs help me understand that it's okay to feel sad sometimes. And when I play fast songs like a race car zooms around the track, my fingers dash and dart across the keys. My heart races with excitement. It's like I'm on a thrilling roller coaster ride. But you know what? My favorite part of playing the piano is when I play gentle, quiet songs. It's like wrapping myself in a cozy blanket and watching the stars twinkle in the skies. Playing the piano isn't just hitting the right notes, it's about expressing how we feel deep down inside. It's like having a secret language that only your heart could understand. So my dear friends, I invite you to join with me on a magical journey of music and feelings. Let's close our eyes and open our hearts and take the music wherever it wants. Because in a world of music, there's no wrong notes, only beautiful emotions waiting to be felt. Thank you for listening.